Today on SETC we have the My Little Pony Wonderbolts 6-inch figure pack, and included in this pack we have Derpy or Muffins, Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash, Spitfire, Pinkie Pie and Saurin. To the back of the packaging we have some awesome images of the Wonderbolts. And as you can see, the Wonderbolts team has the best flyers in Equestria. So here we have our Wonderbolts out of their packaging, and oh my goodness, they are so awesome! So let's take a look at each of them. Okay, so let's start with our cheerleader Pinkie Pie. So she comes complete with 2 fabric pom-poms, which are super cute. And you attach them just by elastic. She comes with her skirt, she also comes with 2 hair clips which you can attach to her mane and tail. Next we have our Pegasus ponies, so let's start with Fluttershy. Now these ponies come with their goggles, which you can remove, and they literally just snap into place. So Fluttershy has her pink mane and tail, which is really thick and really long. Next we have Rainbow Dash. So again, Dash's hair is really thick, and she has her blue and purple tail. Again, you can remove the goggles. Next we have Soarin, and Sauron is wearing his Wonderbolts outfit. He has a blue mohawk and a blue tail. Again, he has his goggles. Now Sauron does look awesome. My only thing is they have given him the female shaped muzzle. I would have thought they would have given him the male-shaped muzzle like they did with Shining Armour. But he does still look awesome. Next we have the captain of the Wonderbolts, Spitfire. And she is looking absolutely stunning. She has a beautiful mane, which is orange and yellow. It does need a good styling though. Her tail is also orange and yellow, and super pretty. Again, just like Sauron, she's wearing her Wonderbolts outfit and comes with her goggles. And last but by no means least, we have every pony's favourite Wonderbolt, Derpy. Oh my goodness, I am so happy that they have finally released another Derpy figure. And this one is awesome. So she has her beautiful yellow mane and tail, her Bubbles cutie mark, and underneath her goggles she has her signature eyes. Oh, she is so awesome. And there we have the awesome My Little Pony 6-inch Wonderbolts pony collection. Let us know in the comments box below which of these 6 ponies was your favourite today, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.